I don't know what happened here. Ooh, big accident. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So right now with my boy Jacob, man, we just met up. He right down the CBR. Y'all met him before. He just about to head out, do a little highway ride, man. Little Mexico spots. I'm just kind of stay away from the twisties right now. I've been having some issues. Like the roads are bad right now, construction. So, you know, I got the flat tire and the radiator just happened. So, but anyway, man, so we go head out here and just kind of keep it on the highway. Yeah. Sometimes you get a cop over this bridge. I had to get a quick little pull right there. I'm about to get another hit right here. See this baby do. You wanna go? You wanna go? You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that boy put some bikes on me. You can pass the shit, bro. Yeah, that's fun, man. But anyway, guys, I'll just probably catch y'all when I get back over to the other spot, man. Ready? I'm not sure what happened, but this fan keeps popping out, bro. Gotta get that shit fixed. off, man. Like I had to keep stopping. I don't want it to fly off going that fast, so I keep having to stop to put it in. I need to check it real quick when we get up here. Alright guys, so hopefully now I got that down and that shit won't be popping up. It'll bugging the hell out of me popping up like that. Yes, sir. I think the fan holding up pretty good, man. It still want to pop out, but it ain't popped out, so we good. Here we go. That's fun, bro. I mean, it's so wide open down here, bro. In Mexico, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm gonna need gas. Hopefully we make it back. Trying to see a motorcycle at high speed, you really gotta lean that body into it, bro. You really gotta use your body and legs to get that bike lean. All right, guys, so real quick, man. So I was just talking to Jacob. I've been getting a lot of liquid on the side of my bike right here, and it's shooting all the way down. And I think it's coming from this slaughter, like grease they put on here or something, because it literally only stops. It starts right here from this sliding forward. There's nothing here coming. So I think it might just be grease. I don't know, but it shoots all the way back down the side. But anyway, we about to head back out. Last little rip, and then we gonna be out of here. All right, we'll get one guys real quick. Huh? You ready? Yeah. Oh shit! Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, that was a real good shit right there. Yeah, my shit did. Yours? Yeah. Oh shit, that was a good one right there, guys. So you want to go another one? You want to go one more? One more? Well, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, my boy. Hell yeah, yeah, yeah. That was cool shit. I hope I got that. I did. Woo! That was some good shit right there. That way, Flojo. Man, good sport, guys. That's what it's about. Just out here having some fun, just riding, man. No ego. Just out here having fun, bro. That's what it's all about, man. Hey, Jacob, my bad, bro. I get excited, bro. Come on, Flojo. Come on, Flojo. For my man, Duke Marcus. Y'all make sure y'all check my guy, Duke Marcus. Hey, you know, it's just, man, that's just exciting, man. That's fun, bro. Man, the BMW, I paid like 15 for it. Appreciate it, bro. Do you, bro? You know what you like? You just want to ride, huh? Oh, you ready? Oh, you got that young blood in you. Yeah, okay. So you don't know what you're looking at, though?
My friend in high school, he always just talk about Ducati.
Oh, hey, now hey, that's gonna be more than this. Really? Hell yeah, Ducati is like, man, BMW, Ducatis. Huh? Oh, the Grom? Oh yeah, they fun little bikes to start out on. Yeah, just get used to. You ain't never rode nothing before? Okay. Okay, I mean, you kind of know about clutching and stuff, huh? Okay. Man, Flojo thirsty, guys. I'm gonna tell y'all, for a bike, man, she take quite a good. It take about, for a bike, bro, like $7, $8, $9 sometimes to fill up Flojo, bro. It's like no cap. That's $7.50 right there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, them was some good runs, man. Yeah, that was fun, bro. Yeah. I was like, hell yeah. I like, see that? Huh? Yeah, the whole time, bro. You don't got quick shifter, do you? Nah. That's what it is. Cause I noticed like every shift, I was getting close. I was catching up. Oh yeah. Yeah, on the top end. Cause on the bottom end, you was gone. I be trying to chase you down. But on the top end, I was noticed every time you shift. And what's yours red line at? Like, 13? See, mine red line at like 14.5. So I know that you was shifting more. Like I can roll mine a long time before I had to shift. So I noticed that too when I was riding. The video will be dope though. Yeah, that's gonna be fun, bro. But that's something like, that's what it's all about, bro. Just having fun. Ain't no ego. Just out here riding. Yeah. He said, I love this shit. All right, bro. Man, my man Jake a cool guy, man. So that was fun, guys. We gotta just have some fun, ripped it, man. You know, nothing crazy. Nothing like that. He hitting that boy. I probably was going too slow for him. Oh yeah, he hitting that bitch. Okay, Jacob. Yeah, that boy is wide open. Sheesh. So about the runs, not that nobody I don't care, or just some analysts if y'all want to know. I'm not a race channel, but anyway, he don't have a quick shifter, and I do. And his red line, I think he said at like 14. I can go all the way up to like, I mean, no, he said he's at 12 or 13. And I can go all the way up to like 14.5 before mine's red line. So I noticed just like when we was riding, like he had to manually shift. So the fact that he was manually shifting that shit, he pretty goddamn good. He's a good damn shifter for one. But for two, I could ride the rails a lot longer than he could. Oh damn. I don't know what happened here. Ooh, big accident. Man, sheesh. But anyway, guys, man, that's crazy. Anyway, man, that was fun, guys. Just like I said, it's all about just having some fun, getting out riding. Beautiful day. No ego. Just having some fun. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I think I can get that looked at over there on the right side. Hopefully there's just grease coming off the frame slider they just put on. Hopefully it's not like cooling or something, but anyway, that's all I got, man, for you. I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby.